Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing focused inputs that convert. Pick your 3 highest performing services and write one clear value statement for each. Once done, upload a high-quality logo, 3 recent portfolio pieces, and 2 short client testimonials to build credibility immediately. Make sure to set target industries, typical budgets, and your service area radius so Clutch's filters match relevant buyers. This focused start reduces noise and primes your profile for the first outreach and discovery leads. You now optimize content and social proof to increase visibility and clicks. Refine headlines with keyword phrases buyers use and select precise service tags. Once optimized, ask 3 to 5 satisfied clients for reviews. Give them a short template and a 7-10 day deadline to simplify responses. Also add case study metrics, revenue impact dollar, conversion lift %, and timeline reductions, so prospects immediately grasp ROI. These combined actions turn profile views into qualified inbound leads. You finish by converting inquiries into meetings. Reply within 24 hours with a personalized note that references the prospect's need. Then qualify using 3 core questions about budget, timeline, and decision authority. Once qualified, propose a clear next step, a 15-minute discovery call or a brief proposal. If traction is low, troubleshoot by refreshing visuals and headlines, requesting recent client reviews, and tightening industry targeting. These fixes usually restore momentum within 1 to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.